Today I'm going to show you how to clean your pop-up drain plug that's in your bathroom sink. This could also work for a bathtub pop-up drain plug. It's pretty simple, but I do understand that you may not know how, because looking at it, you'd be like, how do I remove this pop-up drain plug and clean it? It's getting full of hair and goop and soap and stuff. I want it clean, but I don't know how to take it apart. I do understand. And trust me, it's okay, but I'm going to give you the knowledge and the skills on how to do this all by yourself right now. This is the pop-up drain plug I'm talking about. This is a newer home. This is a plastic pop-up drain plug. I lived in another home where I had a metal one, a steel one with like a brass mechanism down in here. And what I had to do in the old house is turn this to the left and it unscrews. See this? And it just comes apart like this, but then you're thinking, well, I can clean all this out, but I'm going to show you how to do it easier because this is a plastic one. It just makes it much more simple. So thread this cap back on here. There. All you got to do is pull straight up on it, and you can pull the whole mechanism out. And this is just a clear hole all the way into the drain pipe. You don't have to worry about anything. So you can see there's a bit of a mess on this. All you have to do is grab some toilet paper or paper towel and just wipe it down. Pull all that stuff off of there. You can run it under some hot water. You can set it in some CLR and water if you like. Just clean it all up. Look at all that goop's coming off. Now this one wasn't too dirty, and I don't think this bathroom was used much by the previous owners. And I have boys, I have two sons, so we don't have to worry about a lot of hair. And then you may want to take a bit more toilet paper and clean around here, around your drain hole. Clean her up like that. This one wasn't bad at all. And then you just grab this and pop it back down in the hole like that. And if you want to hold some water, just push your pop-up drain down. You want to open it, drain the water, pop it down. Now the old style pop-up drain plug was not that simple to remove. When you took the cap off, you had to get a pair of pliers and take the center mechanism part out as well. But this new version is so much better. Now if you have the older version of pop-up drain plug that gets stuck, I have a video for you right here to the left. Go check that out. That video has helped a lot of people over the last few years. If this video helped you, please hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Give me a like, and we will see you on the next one.